All right, hey everybody, welcome from Eugene, Oregon to the 2020 Sweet Home Detroit NFL Fantasy Football Draft Lottery. And Sophie's gonna draw names literally out of a hat. Congratulations to Shep there, Lords of Livonia. He's up there as a goat with beef now. So, all right, we're gonna get these things picked. And you guys, Sophie's gonna draw them out of a hat. They've just been randomly stuffed into this hat, and then she's gonna randomly draw them out. All right, we'll get this going. All right, we're gonna go full screen for a sec. Okay. So, is it going? Okay. Okay, here we go. All right, so this is gonna be, okay, first of all, we gotta reset to everybody. There's 12 picks. We're gonna start with the first one you draw, there's 11. 11. And then we go down, all the way down to 2, and then when we're done, we've got the last pick and the first pick.
Okay.
All right, so this is number 11. All right, pull one out and show it to the folks at home. What?
I literally did not know.
Oh my gosh. All right, I got the 11th pick. Child, please. 11. Okay, so what you got in your hat next? Drawn from the middle. Going into the middle somewhere. Number 10, quadriplegics. I think that's like a quadra coming out of that guy's chest or something. It looks like Nick Saban, sort of. I don't know, it's hard when I blew this logo up. Work on your logo game, quadra. All right, quadra 10. Sophie, whoop, you gotta stuff it in there. Okay, Sophie, number 9. No, that was 10. 11, 10, this is 9. Number 9, show it to the folks. What does it say?
Motorboater.
Motorboaters. Motorboaters, number 9. Okay. Number 8. Who's that?
Lords of Living.
Lords of Livonia. Lords of Livonia. Number 8. 11, 10, 9, 8. Lords of Livonia. I've been known to mess this up before. No, wait. Slow down. Number 7. Show it to the folks.
Ham on
Rye. Ham on rye. Number 7?
Mm-hmm.
What's that in Spanish?
Siete.
Siete. Alright. Number 6. Oh my goodness, the hat.
Yeah, almost.
They're all in there still. Okay. Ando's.
Ando's hot dog stand.
Ando's hot dog stand. Number 6. Okay, wait. Number 5. Show it to Hawk. That's all you gotta say. Hawk. Officially, Hawks can't let out. Wait, number 5. You gotta get some dramatic pause into it. You already drew that one. That's the one. Who is it? Number 4.
Number 4
Slow down.
is beef
Gurkey. Number 4. Number 4. Okay, so we have
Okay, so we have
3, 2, and then 1 and 12.
and that will be.
So wait, who's left in there? We have Roni and Sergeant Pepperoni. Gwen is in there still.
Wait, that's my friend's name.
Yep. Martinizers, I think, is still in there. And Jaws. We might be forgetting one. All right, here we go.
Well, this is
Clark W. Griswold. Yeah, just show them the picture. They'll know their logo. There it is. Wait, wait. That was 3.
Yes, 3. And then we got
Here comes number 2.
number 2.
Number 2, just show them the picture. Jaws number 2. All right, so here we go. This is the stuff right here. We got whoever you pick is going to be the number 1 pick. Okay? Or do you want to pick the last pick? Whichever one you draw out of there.
I want to pick the first.
You want to pick who's going to be number 1. So this one you pull out of the hat as the first pick. The first pick overall goes to, oh, that was your favorite nickname, Sergeant Pepperoni. That means picking after me in the first round, Matt Martin. All right, folks, that's it.